Welcome to our factory,
Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate bar is made.
step by step.
Don't forget to subscribe for more
Behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Roasting unlocks the deep, rich flavor of the cocoa bean.
The nibs are ground into a liquid, releasing the natural cocoa butter within.
Here, the raw ingredients are blended into a uniform mixture. Conching develops the final flavor and texture, making it perfectly smooth. Temp
Every single bar is checked to ensure it meets our highest standards.
And that's how chocolate bar is made. Turkey seed, from bean to bar.